Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul and an unboxing as well of a monthly kit from DEK Design / Plan2befab, and I'm going to show you the sticker kits that I ordered first, and then I will show you the February sub box, which I'm so excited to look at. So I'm going to look at it with you. When she mails you your stickers, you get a beautiful clip as well, and usually it kind of matches to either to the theme or to that time of the the month or whenever you bought from. And I'm going to move this out of the way and put this right here, and let me show you. This is the freebie that when you put my name down, and it's so cute. It's Boo Bear with balloons coming out of the box, sick day, washy Wednesday, throwing a snowball, money, and laundry. Very cute. And then here are the February freebies that you get. If you collect 3 different colors of these for February, you can turn it in for a shop credit. So if you get 3 different colors, you might want to keep a hold of these and then just let them know, and they will give you a code for shop credit. It's an easy win. And look, it's foiled, y'all. It's so beautiful. I use these in my TN and my personal wides. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. The Boo Bear Valentine Deluxe Kit, and it's 6 pages, and it's silver. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this one to the side. I'm gonna show you this one. This is so stinking cute. Look at Boo Bear in all of the glory of silver foil. Look at those full boxes. Are those not gorgeous? And then down here at the bottom are your quarter or appointment boxes, whichever one you want. And they have silver hearts as well. I love this double box. It is so cute. Cannot wait to use that for Valentine's. And then here are your day covers with Boo Bear doing her things down here. And then the bottom washi, which is absolutely gorgeous with the silver. And then washi strips. Then you have your quarter, half, appointment, bow boxes, your dots down here at the bottom, and your habit trackers. You have your full bow boxes, your bow flags, your 2 corner bows, flags, and then your 2 bows down here. Then you have your awesome headers that are to do today in littles, and then your meal trackers, your asterisks, and then your glitter headers down here at the bottom. Are those not beautiful? Love them. And then you got your large flags, your functionals, your sidebar, Boo drinking coffee, not feeling well, and has her planner in her hands. So how adorable is this kit? Y'all, it is absolutely gorgeous. And it's still available. And you can get it 20% off using Cricket20. That's my code. All right, and the next one, this one is Moments of Love. It's a deluxe 6-page, and I got it in rose gold. And here are your full boxes. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Can you see? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. There's your full boxes with your quarter down at the bottom. Your quarter, half, appointment, habit trackers, bow, and dots. Your bow, full boxes, half boxes, bow flags, bow corners, and then the bows. Your beautiful date covers and washi. Look at that. That's that beautiful look. And then Boo Bear. Your headers, your washi strips, your asterisks, and your food right there. And then your large flags with your functional sidebar and Boo again. So that one is gorgeous as well. So there you're getting to see silver and their rose gold at the same time. And this last one is called Fragrant Plans, and it is done in the silver as well. How beautiful is that? And that, I mean, it's almost like a mint green. It's so gorgeous. And then the full boxes, your quarter boxes. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Again, your quarter bow, half boxes, quarter boxes, bow boxes, habit trackers, and the dots down here below. Your full bow boxes, your half boxes, your corner bow flags, bows, and then your bow flags down here. Your beautiful day covers, those are gorgeous. And then your bottom washi, oh my God, it's gorgeous. And your bow bear, or boo bear, sorry. Your day covers, your glitter washi that also has foil on it as well. Your large flags, your icons, your sidebar, boo bear. And then you got your doilies, your half doilies, your working girl, work, meeting, appointments, and quarter boxes. And then your beautiful deco, which has the weekend on it, and then all the beautiful washi, flowers, pocketbook, lamp, books, glasses, etc. Is that not beautiful, y'all? That is gorgeous. So you need to head on over there and check them out. But before you do, I wanted to show you something that I've been getting. I showed you one last month. I'm going to go ahead and put these to the side so I don't lose them. I showed you this the last month's, but this is this month. And this is the February sub box by DEK. And look at the beautiful picture. And I want to say somebody said you can almost take this off and use it. Yeah, you can actually. See, it actually comes off. So you can definitely use that. Is that not beautiful? And it comes in this nice sturdy box. And then you have this with the digital file up at the top. And then you get all this glorious confetti, which I'm going to kind of try to pick up and move, and hopefully, yeah, see. Be careful when you get them because they have all kinds of goodies in there and you don't want to miss out. So I'm going to go through that. Oh, see, I did almost miss out. Definitely go through your confetti because you do not want to miss out. Here's like a sequenced heart. And then another sequenced heart in hot pink. More confetti. And then they give you Starburst, yum, lovely. And this gorgeous rose gold pen. How beautiful is that? Look at that. That is so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then in this nice little baggie, you get 2 clips. One is a felt ribbon with a red gingham heart on a rose gold clip, and then the other one is just the heart clip. How pretty is that? And you could actually probably use this as washi, like a washi card. I'm always thinking, you know, I want to get it all, you know, use everything to my advantage. Let's see. And then gold stickers that say DEK new releases, show me Sunday, happy day, happy mail, or hump day, happy mail, excuse me, planner, sheesh, and then the bows. Lots of goodies on that one. And then let me show you. Then you get a lot of die cuts, and I love to use these in my planners and in my look at that, card's even cute. I'm definitely using that in my rings. You get a coffee cup, typewriter that says P.S. I love you, a cup full of pens, cake, a hedgehog holding a flower in a heart, a tag with roses on it, hey you, another rose, and then love. So definitely those are cute. And I even love the little paper that's in there too. It says love, hello again. Very cute. And then this looks like washi. I'm opening it up with you as I go. So these are like little washi strips. Look at that. That is not adorable. And they're different designs. How beautiful is that? Love, 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 love. I cannot wait to set up my personal wide rings with this for February. And then let me show you the February monthly kit that comes with it. This is done in foil as well. Here is your February, your Sunday through Saturday, your day covers, which are beautiful, your corners, some scallops, and then your sidebar, which is also done in foil, flags. There's your hedgehog again, extra boxes, paydays all the way across, and then some more extra boxes, some functionals in deco. So that's a beautiful, beautiful monthly kit. And then here is your full weekly kits. And I can see like a little heart floating around in there. So here's a little heart magnet, looks like. How cute is that? I want to lose that. And here is your full boxes. And see, this is something that they will not have in the shop. This is something that's only with this box. So just kind of give you an idea of what you might get in the next box. But this is all foiled. There's a double box that says I love you. You will forever be mine always. Date night. P.S. I love you. Love. Hugs and kisses. And then your quarter boxes down here, which are also foiled. And then here are full boxes right here. I love that, and that you can also write something in there. And then your quarter boxes. Here are some more full boxes. And these are double full boxes up and down. And your quarter boxes. Quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment boxes, bows, and dots. And habit trackers. Your full bow boxes, half bow boxes, bow flags, corner flags, and bows. Ooh, look at this. Your day covers with your bottom washi. That's beautiful. Then large flags, functionals, sidebar, and Boo Bear. I knew there was 2 sheets there. It felt too good. Your littles, to do, and today's, and then your foiled littles and washi strips. Your half doilies, your working girl, work, meeting, and quarter boxes and appointment boxes. And then look at this beautiful deco. There's your weekend banner, your typewriter, laundry, hey you, 2 different girls, la la love. I mean, so much. You get so much. Sending kisses. I love that too. And the cherry. So, I mean, that's, you can use 2 weeks worth out of that, y'all, if you plan right. And then here is your cardstock. And, I mean, you can fold this right in half and use it for your TN, or like me, I'll cut it down and laminate it and pop my holes in it for my personal rings. But it says I love you on one side, and then it has Cupid on the other side. Look how cute. And then there's little Hedgie again. And I just dropped the paper back in the box. And get it back out. There's your hedgehogs with the hearts. And then your gingham on the other side. Beautiful. And then your vellum, and it says you will forever be my always, and it's done in red foils. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? Almost looks pink on my screen, but it's red. Isn't that beautiful? Cannot wait. Then P.S. I love you on one side, then the cherries on the other side, and then I love you with the hearts and the flags. And then the doves with the hearts, or the birds with the hearts, and X's and O's. And again, the lighter color with the birds in the hearts and the X's and O's, and then gingham again. So you get a lot in your sub box. I mean, will last you a long time, truthfully. And like I said, this kit could last me a very long time, especially using the washi from the washi strips that they give you. So go over there, check them out. You can't use my code on the sub boxes, but you can on like the weekly kits. And my code again is Cricket20, so don't forget. And I hope that y'all have an awesome and blessed week. Go have some fun in your planners. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit that bell so you know when I'm going to have another plan with me or sticker haul. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.